patiently waiting. Yeah, guys. Alright, we're gonna wrap this up here now.
Them are actually cheap, but 180 for one.
Yeah. I wonder if we should just
How much for that one, yeah? Where you get it from?
sit there.
Oh, this.
60. They may actually more. By not much, but me just show you.
You
I
make a
think
soup
that-
bowl look cute still.
Yeah, right? Oh, that one is thick. The pink will come off first.
1,720.
Just for future reference, how do they sell their mushrooms?
Yes, I'll show you. That's no?
They're behind her.
The box size.
That's what I just said to you.
We have the chocolate and the
Before I don't know.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back to KTV. Welcome back, guys.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna cook ackee and bacon with wild dumplings. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
And we're gonna enjoy this beautiful river. Yeah, so you don't know that the whole vibe all the while. Nature, cooking, and a little background music.
Guys,
You know, and if you follow up on TikTok, you know, so you always have some, you know, pretty good music there to sing to. And if you follow up on TikTok live, you know, say, we did it for the music.
yes, guys. This is giving when a woman's so blue.
Sometimes we say, YouTube will allow you to use sometimes.
Right.
TikTok live don't really care about them. You can play any type of music on TikTok live.
Yeah, guys.
You should just pull up some songs from YouTube, some playlists, and just bounce them in the background. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, the water nice, no joke. You can swim it now, huh? Everything you want. Creativity.
Alright, guys. So, roll is lighting the fire. Alright. Alright, guys. So, here's the stuff. Got the plate, the foods, the bacon and stuff, and then the dumpling. Yeah, alright, so fire is ready. Here's some of our stuff up here. Right, yes, there. Some of the stuff right there, bowl. Fire ready. Alright, so this guy right here is cleaning up the river. So these people in the community help keep the river clean. So if you come and visit the river, that's what the small fee is for. It looks so good. My scarf is over there. Like, why is mine? A little garbage pail right here. Like I said, they try to keep it clean. This is a little garbage pail. Alright guys, we'll come down to come dropping things. Let me know. I'm saying this is my vlog, guys. I'm saying. Guys, what's me heading to go with, guys? The oatmeal porridge we eat earlier. No joke, guys.
Super strong because we had edibles before we came to the river.
Yeah, guys.
I don't know, fully nature vibe, fully green vibe.
Exactly. It was only right. But that oatmeal, like, even though it's edibles, guy, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it.
Really
It's
good.
so good still. I know it's hard for you to imagine, but it's good. Trust me. But yeah, I'm excited about this ackee and bacon. Me, I've been munching right now, and yeah, and the river looks so good, guys. So good, as you saw earlier. I go and drink my drinks and just wait for the fire.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Guys, they all say, let me have smoke bacon. The butter rice,
Bacon by the riverside. Bacon and ackee.
guys, bacon and ackee.
The boiled dumpling. Same like ackee and saltfish with boiled dumpling. It's a ackee and bacon with boiled dumpling.
Oh my god. Bacon is going with it, guys. Alright guys, so simmering down now. It's just about done, but yeah, like a few more minutes or so.
No man, I'm done it from right off. The ackee broke up there. You don't want the ackee broke up, so yeah, done it.
Bro is very adamant about the ackee.
There's some other season to do in the night, done it, that's it. One last stir. You know, come on, sir. That's done.
And guys, so this one tune and sing, you know. Go over there so I get the drinks ready. So I'm going to wash down the food with them things. Yeah guys. Alright guys, now we got the dumpling water on. Don't mind the pot. So the same pot we use for knead the flour. Yeah, I remember so with the river. See the river, yeah? Yeah, with the river. So real river style. That's the same pot we use for knead the flour. We're going to boil the dumpling now. It's about that.
Yeah.
Real river style or what?
Yeah man, same way so. Yeah?
Yes sir.
I said, I just can't wait for go back in the water.
Yeah man.
After food, yeah, you don't know, we have to just put something in our belly first because the water will actually make us hungry. And we definitely have to go eat, even after we in the water. Even after we eat this, right?
Yeah, I just want to eat.
First, you know?
Why? Hey guys, so he's dropping in the dumplings now.
Yeah, to be dumpling them, guys. Listen, be a cat, or some tiny dumpling.
What?
Be a big cat, you dumpling, or some tiny dumpling.
Cartwheel, good man, cartwheel. Guys, you can see what cartwheel dumpling look like. Remember, so it's a real cartwheels, you know.
Time for that little dumpling. Time for that little dumpling.
What time for a little dumpling? Yes, sir.
No time for that little dumpling.
No time for a little dumpling. Hey. Wanga belly.
That's work here too, look at all that.
What?
Work here too, you know.
What?
That's work here too.
Work cartwheel.
Yeah.
Oh, alright guys. We're dumpling. Big up chef.
Soda, D&T soda in Jamaica.
You guys, so this is what the hell?
Right on the road.
Jesus. Oh boy. I have to cut that part out.
Okay, so let's throw the food out. You try dirty?
Yeah.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
What happened while you or it just tastes weird. Or it tastes like bitter.
But yeah, just like the water clean up. The brother is clean up. Put the bar to the bit.
No, just really it feels good. I think you use it that way.
You want it again? Yeah.